And here we go. Oh. Never had that urge.
I love building PCs.
Oh, no. Oh.
Estoy cansado, jefe.
Oh.
Cansado de
Just get
tanto
them
viajar
flat.
solo
Put them
como
on
un
your
gorrión
feet.
en la lluvia.
It's over, man. It's over.
Let me tell you.
Yeah. Shit, I'm not even married. I would like to go.
Come on! Come on,
Got
now
it.
pull!
Got it.
Come on!
A little more. Long enough than you guys standing there. Oh. Shit. Spitting the critters.
What the Bro!
He's on a journey. Oh. That's his own fault. That's not that bad, though. Cat was capturing the wrong thing.
I might just hit it through a horse. That's on my element. I like.
Okay. Never stood a chance. Lost his oxygen.
Food.
What you got?
Mashed potatoes, macaroni, and a pulled pork sandwich.
Oh,
This is
not
technically
good,
my
man.
breakfast since 4 p.m.
You just woke up.
Awesome. Oh, it's adorable. Look at her. Look, Kitty. No, man. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Give me some attention. Get my food. Ah.
What? What?
Trying something new? So what's the works? Oh. Yeah. Average Russian. Teach them plants a lesson.
Me on the video.
Human nunchuck?
Yeah, look up.
Oh, that's what you go
they
by.
call me, yeah.
All right, so let me see you just swing that motherfucker.
come on now.
That's why they got the nunchucks on.
Oh,
my
oh,
God.
oh my goodness.
Yo, this yo,
Health
this
care,
shit is
man. You
crazy.
get some help. Oh. What? He just looks astonished. I played duck hunt. He's like, that's a good dog. Let's just bring home dinner. Winner, huh? Which one?
My wife and I have been happily married for 2 years.
You've been married for 13.
Yeah, but only 2 of them were happy.
Oh, snap. Oh, got him. Oh, she actually do that. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's not fair. He has 4 legs.
And you don't seem to understand.
Like you. I know I'm big, man. You ain't got a representation.
Where do we find a clip like this, Chet? Oh, they have an escalator over there? Where does that go?
Got it. Monkey King. Thinking making pancakes now. That pancake, huh? Yo. Okay, that's pretty good. Not bad idea, though.
You dirty bitch! Look what you've done to my peonies! They're marigolds! Good God, I think she's right. They are marigolds. I may not know my flowers, but I know a bitch when I see one!
Got him. That's a good thing. That's awesome. Holy shit. Wow. Just as planned. Boys and boys, that's all. I don't know what's going on, but it looks awesome. Oh, that is awesome. Shit. Why is the man in his belly? Oh.
Son, that's what Mary.
Is that a yes or is that a no?
I need a red! I need a red!
That's my kind of fiction. Get him, yeah. Party's over, man. Party's over. Gotta go.
Okay, so just so you know, we play a very realistic version of D&D here, okay?
Perfect. I like realistic D&D.
Okay, good.
What is happening in this campaign, Foster? We go to work, we work jobs that we absolutely hate,
Yeah,
we don't
just
make
like
enough
real life.
money to pay rent or food or living expenses, so we don't have any money for adventuring gear, so we don't go on adventures. There's no big bad to fight. It's just a systemic problem where the person in charge just gets replaced by someone worse, and then they're replaced by someone worse, and we're too broke to leave, we're too broke to do anything about it here, and nothing we do can fix it, nothing we do matters. Nothing we do matters.
That's too realistic. That's like
Trying
real life.
to tell you it would be realistic.
Oh. Oh.
Agora vem. Agora vem.
Oh, man. Too heavy, man. Too heavy. Oh. American ones. Oh! He missed the water. How did he miss the water? Just like that. Oh. Yo, that's just cool, man. Look at that. Everybody else is looking and he's being all jealous and shit. I'm kind of jealous too. Dog knows where he's going. Yeah, good dog. That's crazy, yo. Birds aren't real, man. You hear that? Took a picture. No. That's just weird, man. That's just weird. You gotta go, you gotta go. It's coming. Keep it coming.
Are you okay?
A little busy.
Are you okay?
Fine.
Are you okay?
Why is my ex calling me, man? Hello? Oh my God, I think somebody in my house. What? I think somebody's in the house. How you know? Because I can hear their footsteps. Calm down.
No, even if that was happening, why are you calling you ex?
I'm in my room. I'm scared. All right, look. Get under your bed. What? Get under your bed. Get under the bed right now. Okay. Are you under the bed? Yeah. All right, now put the phone on speaker so I can hear everything. Okay. I hear him coming up the steps. All right. Oh my God, he in here. He in the room now? Oh my God, yes, he's in here. She under the bed! She's under the bed! No!
What are you calling you ex for? Oh, headshot. That was dead on accuracy. What are you doing? I don't see nothing. Bag? Step on. No? Good stuff on that. Got it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, hell, that's pretty good.
It's not bad, right?
That's not bad at all. Not bad at all.
But it doesn't look like you. Do it side by side, baby.
Alright.
Okay.
It's not bad.
You look a little... get a little different.
Sure. Maybe we should stop at this one.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad at all.
Alright. Okay, now you take the camera.
Okay. Accurate.
Oh, fuck.
100%. Dead on. Looking at a mirror, practically.
You sure?
Yeah, let me... side by side. Okay.
Okay.
Can I look at it?
It's not bad.
Dead on, man. Dead on.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Got it. Got it.
Kinda. I told you it wasn't great.
Dead on accuracy, man.
Alright, we'll stop this.
They would all get along. Dude, oh my goodness. Dude. What?
Stop 18.
Hold on. 1 second.
Why? Don't you normally do that?
I certainly do when I'm greedy as fuck. Double it. Come on. Face down and dirty. Come on.
You gotta take the...
Oh my god, Jake! Come on! Why do you do this to me, bro? No way.
I told him go two.
Oh my goodness.
I told him go two hands.
A double here. This is oh my goodness. Oh my. No!
You can't. You're maxed out.
No way, Rich. No way. No way.
You're maxed out. You can't.
Wait it.
You can't.
Wait it. 25. Bust. Just bust. Please. Bust.
21. Ah, that's what you get. You got too greedy. She got 21. Got shafted hard.
Oh my god.
Ah, that's awesome. Awesome. Greed.
There's no way. That's not. No way.
Done. Outta here.
I have a question for the men. What the fuck do you want?
Boobies.
Yes.